So what is up, guys? Noah back on Techmania, and yes, I did change the channel name from 3D Printing Mania to Techmania because I want to cover a lot more technology rather than just 3D printing. But today I'm going to be downgrading 7 operating systems. Now, you might be asking why. This is macOS, this is not Windows, it's just macOS. But why, you might be asking? Well, because it's just fun. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that right now on your Macs. But first things first, you're going to need like an older MacBook or MacBook Pro, whatever you have. I personally have a 2011 MacBook Pro, so this will downgrade all the way to Lion, and so we're going to be using this feature called Internet Recovery, or it's called Internet Recovery, and yeah, so I'm gonna be downgrading to MacOS Lion since that is that's the version of macOS that came with this computer. So let's go. Alright guys, so to start up in macOS Recovery, we're gonna be needing to use these key combinations: Shift, Option, Command, and R. And yeah, so that will basically give us a little internet recovery, like globe. So yeah, so let's do it. So I'm going to quickly restart my computer. Alright, so we're gonna just hit Shift, Option, Command, and R again. So you can see it's a starting internet recovery. This may take a while. Alright, so now it's going to ask to choose your network, and I'm going to select my network real quick, and password. Alright, I'm going to click done. And yeah, so it's going to basically load into internet recovery. Oh, and guys, a quick note is that I'll be using a flash drive. I'm gonna download macOS on this flash drive. You could do it like on an SSD or anything like that, but I decided to choose this flash drive since since I don't have an external SSD or anything like that as of right now. And we are done. It will restart into the internet recovery, and so we could download macOS Lion, which is the operating system that came with this Mac. So here we are, and here it says macOS Utilities, and so here we can click reinstall macOS. Alright, gotta get it focused, and we have disk utility and whatever. So as you guys know, I'm gonna be using this drive, or this USB, so I'm gonna plug it in real quick. So then disk utility, we can reformat it. Alright, so here we are in disk utility, and here is the disk. It's a 16GB SanDisk Cruiser, and so we can hit erase, and we can do, macOS Extended, and you can name it whatever you want. So I'm gonna just name it Lion, and so after that, all you need to do is just click erase, and erase again. Alright, so now that it is done, we can exit out and click reinstall macOS, and here it says set up and install a new copy of Lion. Alright, so now we can continue. Press continue, and it's gonna like ask if your computer is eligible to get it, and it's just gonna load this installation information. And so yeah, so now you're gonna click agree, and here we're just Lion, so we're gonna download it, and so we're gonna click install, and so does your computer will restart automatically. Yeah, so this may take a while, as you can see here. 61 oh, now it's just 2 hours, but I'll be back when it's done. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna just stop recording here. I don't want to record 1 hour and 43 minutes of installing. Now usually this would go quicker if you do it, you know, with like a USB, like a USB install, but since this is downloading straight from the internet, this will take a long time. So the faster your internet speeds, the faster your download will go. But for me, my network is not that great. But yeah, so talk to you guys when it's done installing. Alright guys, so we're done installing, and so here's my MacOS Lion right here. I did like all like the pre, you know, like the installation, like setup and everything like that. And so yeah, so here it is. It's booting all off of the USB right now, and yeah. Alright, so here it is. Here it is, macOS Lion and everything. I mean, look, we got everything right now, and yes. So as you guys can see, it is very easy to downgrade, especially if you have an older Mac. Maybe it runs faster. But yeah, so that's been it. This has been Tech Mania, and see you on the next one.